Plant family, 143 genera in Sapindaceae, Soapberry family. Ferdvu's fascination with the Sapindaceae family. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been captivated by the sheer diversity and ecological significance of the Sapindaceae family. Also known as the Soapberry family, this group of plants encompasses a wide range of trees, shrubs, and lianas found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Their unique characteristics, economic importance, and ecological role make them a fascinating subject of study. Key characteristics of the Sapindaceae family. The Sapindaceae family is distinguished by several key features. They often possess compound leaves, which are divided into leaflets. Their flowers are typically small and inconspicuous, but they can be arranged in attractive inflorescences. The fruits of Sapindaceae plants exhibit remarkable diversity, ranging from fleshy berries and capsules to winged samaras and nuts. This variation in fruit types reflects their adaptability to different dispersal mechanisms and habitats. The Sapindaceae family comprises a vast array of genera, each with its own unique charm. Acer. This genus encompasses the beloved maples, known for their vibrant fall foliage and the production of maple syrup. 168 species in genus Acer, maple tree. Aesculus. This genus includes the horse chestnuts and buckeyes, recognized for their showy flowers and spiny fruits. 18 species in genus Aesculus. Lychee. This genus is home to the delicious lychee fruit, prized for its sweet and juicy flesh. Lychee chinensis of genus Lychee. Lychee. Sapindaceae. This genus comprises the soapberries, whose fruits contain saponins that create a natural soap-like lather. Pollinia. This genus includes the guarana plant, whose seeds are used to make a stimulating beverage. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Economic and ecological importance. The Sapindaceae family plays a significant role in both economic and ecological contexts. Many species are valued for their timber, which is used in construction, furniture making, and other industries. Others are cultivated for their edible fruits, such as lychee, rambutan, and longan. Some members of the Sapindaceae family also have medicinal properties and are used in traditional medicine. From an ecological perspective, Sapindaceae plants serve as a vital food source and habitat for a wide range of animals, including insects, birds, and mammals. Their diverse fruit types attract various seed dispersers, contributing to the regeneration and maintenance of forest ecosystems. Moreover, some species play a crucial role in soil stabilization and erosion control. My personal connection. My fascination with the Sapindaceae family stems from my appreciation for their beauty, diversity, and ecological significance. I'm particularly drawn to their unique fruits, which showcase a remarkable range of shapes, colors, and textures. Witnessing the vibrant fall foliage of maples or savoring the sweetness of lychee fruits always brings me joy. As I continue to explore the world of plants, the Sapindaceae family remains a constant source of inspiration. Their resilience, adaptability, and ecological contributions remind me of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Whether I'm admiring their beauty in a botanical garden or studying their ecological role in a forest, the Sapindaceae family never ceases to amaze me. In conclusion, the Sapindaceae family represents a remarkable group of plants with immense diversity and ecological importance. Their unique characteristics, economic value, and ecological role make them an integral part of our planet's natural heritage. As a plant enthusiast, I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn about and appreciate the wonders of the Sapindaceae family. Their presence in our world enriches our lives and reminds us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world.